So, implementative procedures, administration liable to provide him a suitable debts according to their health, their intelligence and their feedback. And implementative dash response to him, this one is the not rule, this one is the illegalities. These types of differences, which is between the stages of workers, stages of the administration, stages of the development, create to the discriminate the relation between the parties, either employer versus employees, either employer versus men, either the workers versus workers, either the employer association versus the trade union. Employer association to the trade union, employer versus employers, and the workers versus workers. So, 1891, Babes try to understand the level of dissatisfaction, kinds of dissatisfaction among the participants, how we find out the amicable solution for the betterment among the peoples. So, we find out a system for the collectively bargain. This one is the described by the United States in 1879 by the National Labor Organization. United States established National Labor Board for the observation of the sickness, rights and capacity for the establishment. So, there are the three level. Number one, unit level. Number two, organizational level. Number three, national level. Now, unit level. Suppose that A mother unit, he have the two sister unit B and C. So, B and C follow the plan, policy and regulation whatsoever decided by the A. Plan, policy, regulation. B and C only the implement whatsoever decided by the mother unit, whatsoever decided by the organization. So, organization decide planning, policy making, strategification, implementation on the behalf of the democratic constitution. Whatever constitution decide to the industrial system for the standing order, for the organizational policy, for the implementation by the for the power distribution. And the democratic countries के बाद international labor organization, whatsoever decided by the international labor organization rule and regulation norms in the sake of the organizational implies, in the sake of the trade union, in the sake of the establishment. And second one is Human Right Commission. Human Right Commission also the protect to the member of democracy. So, for the adaptation of these formulation, organization, mother unit establish their planning, policy, organizing and system, and these system provide to the sister unit for the implementation. So, unit level power implies whatsoever authentic person implies versus impliers. Here only implementation related discussion is possible. Unit level. If in the case of यूनिट लेवल का वर्कर ये डिमांड करता है कि हमारे पे बैंड बढ़ा दिया जाए, तो यूनिट लेवल में अथॉरिटी नहीं है कि बेस बोर्ड कमीशन के रिकमेंडेशन को डिनाई करें या मदर यूनिट के रिकमेंडेशन को डिनाई करें या कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल सिस्टम को डिनाई करते हुए वो आपको फंडिंग दे दें, या वेलफेयर सिस्टम में कुछ रेट ऑफ परसेंटेज ऑफ इकोनॉमिक बेनिफिट्स को ग्रो कर सकते हैं. दिस वन इज नॉट पॉसिबल बिकॉज देयर इज no rule and the no power for the extension of the development. यहाँ पे हम only work related, performance related, feedback related, culture related, behave related, development related and the individual crisis if any whatsoever decided. And second one is disciplinary action related provision also applicable in the unit level. So this one is the organizational phenomena and the both are discussed surrounding to this. If beyond the power, beyond the capacity, beyond the system be liable to discuss, this one is the illegal and the collective bargaining tending to the zero result. And secondary organizational level, this one is the formulate by the democratic system, governance policy, standing orders and n number of establishment related rule and regulation whatsoever applicable in the present area. This one is the follow and the establish. Here be discussed to the planning related, policy related, strategy related, implementation related and benefit related, each and everything phenomena whatsoever the possible under the power of the authority, under the power of the constitution of the organization. And last one is the national level. Under the national level, if like that the Banking Association of India, Banking Association of the India discussed to the government of India, like that the Railway Federation of the India, like that the Insurance Federation of the India. The Banking Association of India discussed to the government of India regarding any types of matter whatsoever level. So national level provision may be changed under the constitutional whatsoever possible way, adaptation by the legislative system, like that the Supreme Court, High Court and also the implement may be labor code, legislative and constitutional. Second one is the human rights. Last one is the International Labour Organization recommendation. If you want to any types of changes in the system by the constitutional provision, like that the reservation, like that the acceptance of the base board commission's recommendation, like that the standing order changes procedure, like that the environmental procedure, like that the labor commission related provisions, any types of whatever decided by the governance and the system is not implemented, then you may be go through the provisions. And secondary legislative decision, whatsoever decided by the system means Supreme Court, either the High Court, either the any judicial recommendation which is liable to implement in the sake of the union member, organization, organizational objectives, organizational system, relation, national economics and the growth of the organization, nation and national economics. This one is the implementation. Also the Human Rights Commission with the sake of the humanism, with the sake of the democracy, with the sake of the member of unions and the organization. These are the level of collective bargaining. Now, types of collective bargaining. Number one, collective bargaining, distributive collective bargaining. Under the procedure of the distributive collective bargaining, parties are kept in force by the system of democracy, by the system of equality, by the system of the equal distribution. Equal distribution, it may be losses, may be profit. As per the contribution of bi-party level, peoples are maybe losses and maybe profit. If profit, then profit sharing. If losses, then losses sharing. This one is the recommendation under the approach of the collective bargaining on the behalf of the distribution, on the behalf of the nature of the distribution under the democratic system. So, force of pies refers to the distribution among the participants whatsoever decided by the degree of acceptance, degree of system, peoples are gaining profit or losses, and if profit, then people's contribution is maximum, if losses sign, then people's contribution is minimum. Second one is intra-organization. Under these procedures, parties are participate under the formulation of policies, strategy, implementation,